có vụ makeup đó của nó.
Yeah.
Thì có vụ cho tụi tha makeup đó của nó là hai luôn đây cho cái mặt tha nè. Nè nó về nó chữ mua còn bạn gạo trong cam bảo đi. Nè, we introduce yourself first.
My name is Jaslyn, and my favorite color is purple, and I'm 7 years old.
Introduce yourself, Liko.
Mm-hmm.
So what you gonna do?
I'm
I
gonna.
mean, like, what you gonna do now or next? Make up me. I'm your model. I'm your mom, or I'm your model. Don't treat me like a mom, right?
You're my mom, but I'm gonna put makeup on you.
Okay, sure. So you ready to start or not?
Yeah, but I just want you to pick out the colors first.
No, I let you do whatever you wanna do.
I could use my small one.
Lần nhớ nó có bỏ có ha. I wanna see you because you are mine. Nè hồ đi chả. Có yếm nhom mong mì gà đó, ok? Nhon chúng á, chỉ có mi nhom mong lo rồi sai có đó, ok?
So, what kind of colors do you want? Purple and blue?
Can you just do whatever you wanna do? Có quá chỉ là tao tan cho chỗ có xả tiền trong câu nữa, ok?
Okay.
Nếu chỉ cho bỏ hai lô mong ở đấy chỉ mà nơi tao có hai nữa. Ồ, cái chị bằng foundation ở đây à? Bằng foundation ở đây mà lọ.
Wait.
Nào mình nhận sai nữa nữa, ok?
So, spread it on your face, then you just...
Cho cha, cô cho khe cả sư. Có bao mà, right?
Yeah.
So, ổn đâu nữa, ok? Có thể sáp lần cô makeup nó. Đó, thấy khó trung cọ là sao nên rõ thì no, cơ khó trung đó chứ cho cô chẳng có mỏ đâu nó, cơ khó trung đó. Giờ tao mà ôi lúc rụng nữa nè. Cái này tao bị để ôi luôn nè.
Should I use the same for your cheeks?
Có ôi lên chả là tao nè hả? Up to you, I said.
Okay.
I'm gonna sit down, wait until you're done.
Wait, this doesn't get clean well.
That's sure.
Thank you. Doesn't see well, but that's okay.
You can do all you want. Thì có bên họ bắt tao sẽ là được chứ nào. Bên đầu thầu, ô cho cô cặp lá không nó cả đã đa nữa. Cặp lá họ chỉ đâu ai cũng muốn sợ nè. Hai luôn hả mà. Hai thì có quá chị right now.
I'm doing her blush for her cheeks.
Lần đó lúc blue nó, lần khỏi lấy lia rồi.
Shows a tiny bit.
Lúc có chỉ cho lia, lúc lia mà giờ lúc black, ok?
Okay.
Em mua cho orange hay pink à?
I'm gonna check. Learn hold. Learn hold.
Hmm?
Do you allow us to have an iPad?
No.
See? Yeah, put your iPad away now. Put your iPad away. You're not allowed to play it.
Then
Hmm. Pretty cool. Cool.
I want to.
Okay. Tell Tishy to come.
No, he's makeuping mom. Makeuping? I already saw him.
What they say?
But I already saw him. What's it about?
Makeup.
Janice open.
Thì nhà cơ có trong đơn chéo ô mà mi cả ta đó.
Janice. Oh,
Get out.
Janice. Janice.
Don't make too loud, please.
Can you bring me a napkin?
Nó là hồ lý giả xin nhờ. Tôi tham mấy cả nó đâu mà mi là hồ lý giả.
Makeup artist.
Okay. Do you think it looks good, Mom?
Did you do her eyeshadow?
Yeah. It's red, but it doesn't show up that well.
I accept everything you do.
Can I paint your nails?
Sure.
I'm gonna turn it.
I'll paint her nails.
Yeah.
Where's pink?
There's no.
I have a headache.
Ow, ow, ow.
Quiet.
Get out. You have foundation on your
Mommy, do you have orange eyeshadow I could use or something?
Wait, are you
Are you doing like the light fall does? Yeah, I can blend it.
Cái sách chấm cho cô chú. Nhà cái sách là qua đầu mồ. Cơ nó đỏ đôi hết mồ thế kì.
What happened?
So when I got out, he locked it, and then I got. So first he left it like this. He left it like this.
Mất lọc rồi. Ủa.
Close your eyes, make sure your eyes are closed.
ก็อยากว่าตัวทา makeup in the future
Now you say you wanted to be a model.
I could be a model, but first I just like the passion for makeup.
เนื้อหาเลยจ้าสิเนี่ยถ่ายลงมงนะ She wanna be model and she wanna do makeup for people too.
She says she just likes doing makeup.
I think I can be your model. I'm not too old, right, my dear?
You're a Barbie doll.
Or I'm old.
No, you're not old.
Old.
Oh, good chị tao lò hết rồi.
You're not young, but you're not old.
But I'm very wrinkled though. Nhưng muốn mấy cái nữa, nên cho kiếm bớt số nữa sa, cho thà có bia, đồ năng thiên nữa họ sa, ít tu năng ngàm nó nữa, năng ngàm nàng con giờ fashion show model nó nữa.
Try to use your finger to blend it.
No,
Cái này trên nó nữa này.
stop doing this.
Method.
Look what she did to the eyeshadow.
Well, it looks pretty.
No, I mean like the palette.
No.
Có một chơi xong.
7.
Sao vậy nó? Xa xong.
Yeah. Say yeah.
Yeah.
Có bó thả lại trả không có thả.
She looks at YouTube videos of like people decorating dolls.
No, she's not a doll, Jen. Stop.
I never said she is shishy.
Why'd you say I'm watching dolls?
You see people do dolls on makeup. With makeup. Oh, look, they're adding too much.
That's okay.
I think looks good.
You're only supposed to color the eyelids most of the time.
Không có hả? Có bộ của tụi anh brown ha.
I'll do it.
I'll do it.
Không tên rõ của tụi anh brown.
I'll do it.
I'll do
You
it.
can put her nail. Look. I'll do it. I said
No.
first.
The nail polish is a rip-off.
Tụi nó mà, tụi nó chỉ muốn cho lúc hold it.
Hold it like this. And then just like find it like
Yu. Tụi có lúc mà kêu. Sáng gọi nó luôn. Cờ lúc ở trong đó.
He bit me and I'm gonna give him out. So it's just fine. Okay.
Chị đốt đi về nữa. Có lúc không có chị thà có đốt đú là do xìa. I thought you tap blue là do black đó. You only know so main Thai model.
I want to iron it.
Xe giờ rong ra luôn con nè, không có xe rong nè. Nè, nè. Okay, go tới tomorrow in the future luôn. ¿Cómo se hace? Yeah, because of that.
Can I have some? So just outline the black of your eye. When must I put it? Your other eye looks kind of messed up. You can look in the mirror.
Của tôi sai look con khai
It's
nọ.
kind of look weird, like right here, because I messed up.
That's you do for me.
Mhm.
The one to tell.
Mhm. But it can't work that well.
Looks fine. Có nhiều cậu cũng muốn to tell đấy nó.
Mhm.
Okay, thank you so much. You do very good job. Nah, hug before I end video. Thank you so much.
I was trying to do your lipstick right here, your eyeshadow. I learned how to make it like. That's why I asked for pink and orange, cause
Ê, cái
for
tả này.
sunset.
Bây giờ nè, you
Pink.
do it.
Pink and orange for
Tell me more. Are you okay now? Look
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, for like your eyeshadow, I put pink and orange because it should make a sunset, like pink at the bottom, then orange at the top. But the orange doesn't show up a little bit, but that's what I try to do.
You mean orange to show up? Tôi liếm một nọ này lo. If you don't want my eyeliner mixed up, okay, let me tell you something. Are you okay? I tell you
Yeah.
a suggestion something. You do this. You put this black color. Open it. Okay. Put black now to mommy call eyeliner now. See, you put more on it and you cannot see that.
A mess up. There.
You like it now? See? Thank you so much. You're good. Okay. Thank you, my dear. Are you happy? You happy to do my face?
Yeah.
I hope your dream come true. You wanna be a model in the future, and go or makeup for people. You wanna do makeup for people in the future?
I wanna do this again.
Do this again? I put this in YouTube though. Yes.
Yeah.
Your account too?
No.
My
I
account?
guess. Yeah. Do your account. I wanna do it.
Your account. That's fine.
No.
Thank you. Mwah. Okay. Bye bye. See you next video.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. See you next video on doing my mom's makeup.
Okay. Bye. This click one. So yeah, because your first time. We're gonna do next time again. Okay. Say bye bye.
Bye.
Jocelyn and mommy.
Bye.